It's Friday, Dan.
Oh,
Sunday, Monday, Monday. Hey, Friday, man.
You was your team.
Ooh, y'all know it's Friday. Look, everybody here. Everybody here. He's still here. I don't even know why he's still here. Damn, they're hugging and stuff. You think he didn't see him for all week?
He think he can say that to you, right?
Look at his shirt.
Disappearing for a whole
Hey, Shin.
Yeah, you know.
The hell? What's on your hoodie? What the hell is you doing?
I'm being cheap, okay?
Check out the leg. Check out the leg of the sock.
I didn't even think a fat guy could do this. You gonna be able to get up?
No. I'm gonna need some help.
I got you.
How do you?
What's up, guys? It's the weekend. We at the shop. I'm gonna start working on the drift car for clutch kickers. Hopefully I can start getting some wiring done and maybe some fabrication done this weekend. Alright, so to start off, I have a used JDM 25 harness. We on a bit of a budget here for clutch kickers, so I'll save money where I can. I'll just chop this harness up and wire it to a Haltech 2500, and yeah, this has most of the connectors I already need, which is basic stuff, just like the crank anchor sensor, the TPS, coolant, injector harness, and yeah, I don't need all that. I probably need up to here, and then just repin it, and that's it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do before I go ahead and make the harness is I'm gonna gut the car a little bit more. I got a couple of the old K set up in there still. It's a lot of wires hanging. We're gonna pull out the interior, and then I'll mount ECU so I can get measurement for how long I need the harness, and then I can make the harness. So let's gut the interior first. Out. Well, that's one easy way to get that. Oh God! Damn e-brake.
Why are you trying to sit?
Hmm?
Why are you trying to sit?
I'm just trying to get it out, baby.
Because
Ooh,
trying
that's
to
how you do it, right there.
something out?
Hmm?
Oh, let me do it that way.
This guy.
Right there.
Watch it, Eddie. Daddy got it out though. Alright, so we got the dash all out. Got us a brand new Haltech 2500. And bust this open and get it to fit. Oh. Bust that open. Oof, look at that thing. Oh. Yeah, so we're gonna mount this. I had a 2000 before. Now I'm gonna run 2500. I'll put it in the same spot just to get a mock-up, and then I can stop measuring for some wires. So I'll just put it back right there. Nice, easy, accessible. And then, oh, look, the holes even line up. Yeah, boom. And then run the wires through the hole over there, and we good. Hopefully we have a wire harness. All right, so back to this guy. How I do my harnesses is I just lay out the old one. I've used a lot of used harnesses before. When I say used, I mean not, you know, trash, but at least it's all the wires are still good. And I'll just cut it all open and get everything that I want, and just mock it up on the engine. And at the same time, I could delete all the stuff I don't need, like you know, knock sensors. No, like just all the stuff I don't need, I'll just get rid of. Like, it has 2 plugs to the TPS. I only need 1. It has a lower harness here. I'll just probably convert this to hook up like my oil pressure sensor and boost controller or whatever. I'll just add that to there so it can be nice and easy in engine bay. And then we'll just go down here. We'll probably cut to about here so we have enough length between there and there, and we don't need any of that because the standalone just need a few pins to control all the injectors and the coils, and we should be good. Let's get to it. So the reason I can't never get none done because my friends show up, they want to hang out, sit on my engine and shit. Nick,
Yeah, you know.
but I did get started on the harness, but you know, we're gonna hang out for a little bit and do some silly stuff. They out here somewhere trying to teach Rico how to wheelie. So, let's see what's going on over here. If it's one thing Fat Boy can do, Fat Boy can wheelie.
Flex on lever quick, man.
Joey said you think he got it.
Hey, you got, yeah. Oh, he flexing on that. Oh, he's flexing on you, Lee. He's flexing on you.
But I can do that though.
Oh, shit. Well, damn, man.
He didn't even make it half the block.
He didn't. He really didn't. I didn't want to say it, but put it in second and do it. You don't get hurt once. Damn. What's a clutch? Why does Mike look like it's belly for? Like what? Like somebody bust their ass off.
Not here.
Maybe one of y'all niggas.
Alright.
I got it. Hey, just shift that hole.
Yeah, I need to be in second gear. Wait.
More gas. Oh, yeah, that's longer than you, bro. That's longer than you, bro. Oh,
I was in first gear.
oh man.
Don't worry, let me get back on.
That's how you turn old niggas against each other.
Oh man.
Damn, that nigga
He's
trash.
up next, ladies and gentlemen.
Trash ass nigga. No, my knee hurt today.
Oh.
I hyperextended
His jeans
it.
too tight. It's supposed to be loose fit.
My knee right here, that is inverted.
Hey Joey, what you gotta say, buddy?
Oh man, I think that was
Oh,
good.
you was trash ass.
Here we go.
Tell him to get a balance point.
I know, right? He's speeding right now.
Right there, keep it up there. Huh? Keep it up where you had it when you came up.
You said what?
Keep it where you had it when you came up.
Oh yeah?
To where you barely gotta give it
I
gas.
just gotta stare.
Oh yeah, it's hard though.
I'm trying to get it to stare.
You gotta be on one wheel to the wheel. It's really the weight, bro. You don't want to see.
Fat Boy say he gonna show off for y'all real quick. Everything. Show them everything you got. Michael Jordan, baby.
Michael do it.
Show off. Hey, just know that was Joey. That's exactly. So I already know it's the weekend. The boys here. We gonna head to the cul-de-sac, baby. You know. We gonna bring our old trusty. We gonna show him what's up.
like this.
How you think I'm driving?
I was close, huh?
Too close. My alignment's so bad. I'm like, which way we going?
Yeah, I'm having an ab workout back here, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna run you over this time. Cookie, what are you doing?
Y'all got my hat?
Yeah, like the money. Buckets are straight away.
Ah, damn. Yo.
My whole shit. Hey, Cookie was slamming into the back of my seat and shit.
Joey. You ready to party, bruh?
Try. I ain't got no tires. Look at the tires. Scope that shit out.
They look good to me.
Alright, let it up. Then don't do it. Hey, Cookie. How was it? Get it from the outside. Is it awesome? Huh?
That's pretty awesome. I know it was pretty awesome. Like, share, subscribe.
You know, it's good. I want to do donuts.
You donut?
I'm closing. I'm doing donuts too. Do donuts.
2 donuts with the door open? All doors open?
4 doors open.
4 doors open.
Hold on, you got.
Rico, you don't want to open the door after we go? It's going to sling your leg, so you might want to wait till
No, I'm
we get
holding
into
it.
the donut.
I'm kind of holding it.
I'm not responsible for your shoe.
My shoe is straight.
Ready?
Oh yeah, I might want to God damn! God damn! Yo! What?
I heard that tire come off this. I just do a burnout.
Hey, you seen that movie Back to the Future? That's what I'm saying. That's that Back to the Future shit.
No, we.
That's how we do it.
Blow up. Yeah, RB does better burnout. We know.
Oh shit.
Yeah, gonna block them tip. I don't want to hear that shit. I'm just saying, that was a strong burnout. That was a great one. I gotta pay me for my shit.
Hey, Shed. Hey, look. Hey, I rate that burnout a 2 out of 10, bro.
Alright, that's enough.
Have an onboard view ready to ride. That's it. I'm going for a drive.